Greetings, YouTube. It's a stormy day here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Tifton, Georgia. We just had a major thunderstorm to pass through, and it's still raining here. And we still have some very high winds here currently, as you can see. It's dark and overcast, quite windy, and the rain is still falling here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. We were supposed to, wow, we just had a tree fall in my neighbor's backyard back there. You can see that. She has pecan trees in her backyard, and these high winds just blew that limb down out of her tree in her backyard back there. Good thing it didn't hit her house. It just had a roof repaired about 3 days ago. And it's a good thing that limb didn't fall on her house back there. At any rate, YouTube, as you know, we had both orange and pineapple lilies planted along our front porch here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. And take a look at this, guys. The high winds from that thunderstorm stripped virtually every blossom from every one of our orange and pineapple lilies, except those two down there at this end of the porch. In some miraculous way, they hung in there and they didn't get blown away. So we're thankful that we didn't have any limbs or trees fall on our house during the night. And today we were actually supposed to bring you an update on our main hugelkultur garden planter with carrots, onions, and spinach planted in it. But as you can see, we can't even get off of the porch right now due to this weather we have here. At any rate, YouTube, we'll probably try to bring you that update video on tomorrow. Hopefully by then the weather will have calmed down and we'll have some sun rays shining through. Hear my wind chimes here blowing in. That wind is really whipping here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Look at those trees over there. Wow. Well, we have things falling out of the trees right now on top of our house here. Hopefully nothing large falls down. Thankful at this point that none of our vegetables have been damaged in any of our planters, but again, we can't even get you guys out there close to anything right now during this storm. So we'll get back with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a bright and sunny day tomorrow, and we'll bring you that update video tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.